See how it's turbulent out there? That means water's rushing in. Yeah, there's turnaround places. Man, there's a lot of turbulence in that water. Why is there so much current? It's like it's blowing back. Yeah.
Water that way. There's water. Turn around.
I want to see how deep it is.
What?
See, it's not that deep.
It's stuck in the walk home. Oh no.
You go through things really slow and don't splash it up on the engine like an idiot, well, you'll be alright. And there, it's way too deep. That Suburban's splashing even a lot of water up. See, look at this. This is all deep. This is Clear Creek right here. Clear Creek is out of its bank all the way up to here.
Yeah.
So that's all Clear Creek. This is where see my sidewalk is even going out there. I couldn't even walk on my sidewalk.
I guess you could swim.
The sidewalk is totally. Or no, wait a minute. I can see it up there. There's sidewalk. Yeah, it's high ground. Wet.
I guess the houses aren't flooded. Doesn't look like.
No. I got a lot of water in my car. I understand.
So probably red boxes. What channel?
I'm not watching.
Red boxes and open.
What? You can't. You got to find a machine that's undercover because you can't check out. You know, without being able to swipe your card. I'm still.
Down that street.
Now, I mean, you're threatening a possible stall out.
Some people who live on that street are stuck.
Well, depends on the vehicle.
Yeah.
All right, so this is plumb full, but it's not overflowing. It's just that there's no place for the water to go. Same with that retention pond over there.
What about the old house?
He said everything was good when I talked to him, but who knows about today. So, I'm not going to go up down here to Parkway.
Parkway's flooded, right?
Well, you know it's flooded by back over there, there's not anybody going to be going that way. People walking down here to look. Look at all that water. No wind blowing the waves. Has the water
or not?
Hadn't the water gone down right here already? Just since we drove through it. Wasn't this all water?
I don't know about that. Couldn't have gone down in 5 minutes.
I didn't see that bare spot back there in the middle of the road. This is the most water I've ever seen on this street.
Also going to happen. In fact, we've had a spike in power outages across Louisiana today, but it remains less than 1% of the customers in the affected areas. And as the winds die down, those repairs will be made and those outages will be corrected. I do want to ask people to continue to be vigilant. There are literally hundreds of roads across Louisiana. It also links to Texas road information now. And if you are traveling through Texas, the Texas authorities have asked that you not do so through South Texas. And in fact, commercial traffic, to the extent that we can do it, we are sending that traffic north on I-49 to I-20 to get them into and through Texas. And we're actually trying to divert traffic even before it gets into Louisiana, so that we don't send more traffic than is necessary along I-10, because once you get into the state of Texas, I-10 becomes completely impassable in certain areas. I would ask also that individuals continue to go to Volunteer Louisiana.